Hello students, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk you about one of the most important topic in MS Word, which is a style patterns. We can call it an heading patterns also. This is something which is most of the peoples or most of the user of MS Words are not aware of, and this is also something which is very important. And if you are aware of this heading patterns, then you can be a success in documentation part. So how to work with this, let's see. I've set my cursor over here and you can see heading 1 is selected. Now how this has been converted into heading 1? Is it because of the fact that it's in bold, or it is because of the fact that the size has been increased? Not at all. Let me show you. I have made a selection of this text and I'm going to click on this clear formatting. So I'm going to clear all the formatting into this. You can see here the style has been converted from heading 1 to normal now. Okay, so I'm going to convert this into bold text and going to increase the size as well. Now I've increased the size, but even after that the style pattern is normal. It's not heading 1. So heading 1 has nothing to do with converting this into bold text or increasing the font size. I need to set this text property as a heading 1. And how to do that? Clear formatting, whatever formatting I have done, you need to just click on this heading 1. This text has been selected already and I'm going to click on this heading 1. This has been converted into heading 1. Similarly, I'm going downwards this data. Here I've got something. This is also a heading 1, or I can convert this into heading 2. I'm going to do the selection of this, and this has been already given as a heading 2. Similarly, in this data, all the headings has been converted into heading 1, heading 2 or heading 3. Let me tell you one thing, these headings are labels actually. If there are 1000 headings in one particular book or document, it doesn't mean it goes like heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 1000. These are labels. Heading 1 is one particular label. Whatever topics are there under heading 1, those are going to be heading 2. If there are going to be some topics under heading 2, it's going to be heading 3. So it goes like this. And what are the advantages of it? There are plenty of advantages. First thing, let me show you. I'm going to view, and here you are getting the option of navigation pane. I'm clicking on this navigation pane. Now whatever headings which has been given, you can see that these are all coming here, and you can very easily navigate in this data. Like I'm clicking over movie of Bhutan, so I've reached to movie of Bhutan. Movie of India, I've reached to movie of India. Not only this, there's another advantage. There's going to be a separate video how to create a table of content, or the index page you can say. But I'm setting my cursor over here, going to references, I'm going for table of content, and because the heading pattern has been set already, I need not to do anything manually. Just click on the pattern which you want, like let's say this one, and because the heading pattern has been set, the table of content has been created automatically. However, in order to remove it, remove table of content. There are many other advantages. You can use it in the cross reference or the hyperlink, and many other way you can use these heading patterns. Also, there is another advantage I'm going to show you. Most of the heading 2 in this particular document, let's say this one and this one, are in some particular formats. What is the format? The format is Times New Roman 18. Let's say I want all the heading 2 to be bold, and let's say the size should be 20. So I'm clicking on this heading 2 over here, right click, go to modify, and here I'm increasing the font size to 20, making it bold. You can change the font style as well. I'm not doing this, and clicking on OK. Now my cursor is over here and you can see it's 20. It's 20. It's 20. Okay, so this is how you can modify if you have set heading patterns in the document, and let's say there are 20 heading 2, or let's say there are 30 heading 3, you need to change it manually if you have not set the heading patterns. But if the heading pattern has been set, you may simply go to heading 2 or heading 3, modify option, do the modifications from there, and in the complete data or the complete document, that changes will happen. So this is the advantage. So this is all about home tab. There are a few more options that we will cover in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.